Welcome to your first step in learning Brazilian Portuguese. In this lesson, we'll explore essential phrases to help you build sentences and communicate effectively. The word quero means I want and is a foundational verb for expressing desires in Portuguese. For example, eu quero aprender português means I want to learn Portuguese. Let's master the pronunciation. The K in quero sounds like the K in kid, and the R has a soft trill, like in the word Bianca. Practice saying eu quero ir, I want to go, or eu quero falar português, I want to speak Portuguese. To say you don't want something, use não quero. For instance, eu não quero aprender means I don't want to learn. Moving to needs, eu preciso means I need. You can say eu preciso aprender português, I need to learn Portuguese. Combine phrases for more depth, like eu quero aprender português porque eu gosto muito da língua. I want to learn Portuguese because I really like the language. Remember, practice makes perfect. Repeat this lesson 3 to 5 times over the week, and you'll be amazed at your progress. Keep up the great work, and let's continue this journey together. Até logo.